Hey everyone, today we're exploring the top 5 Arduino boards, perfect for beginners or those on a budget. Let's find the ideal board for your projects. Let's get started. The Arduino Uno R3 is perfect for beginners with 14 digital pins, 6 analog inputs, and USB programming. It's your go-to microcontroller. Powered by the Mega 32.8P, it's simple, versatile, and ideal for diving into electronics. Meet the Arduino Nano, compact yet powerful, with 22 digital pins, 8 analog inputs, and a tiny form factor. It's ideal for space-constrained projects. A perfect blend of simplicity and functionality. Time for the Arduino Mega, the powerhouse. Packed with 54 digital pins, 16 analog inputs, it's built for large and complex projects. Its capabilities are vast, making it a go-to for robotics and 3D printing. Let's talk about the Arduino Pro Mini, the minimalist marvel. Designed for projects where space matters, the Pro Mini may be small, but it's mighty. With a compact size and essential features, it's ideal for tight constraints. Now the Arduino Leonardo, a board that adds a touch of uniqueness to our top 5 countdown. Despite its compact size, the Leonardo offers a feature-rich experience. With 20 digital I/O pins, 12 analog inputs, and the ability to emulate a computer mouse or keyboard, it brings a new level of versatility to your projects. For beginners, consider the Arduino Uno or Nano, user-friendly and versatile. On a budget, the Arduino Nano is my top pick. Let's explore these boards for your electronics journey. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Arduino boards. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy tinkering!